This 2020 Crossroads Sunset Trail, Super Lite 289QB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Crossroads is 32 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 10, carbon monoxide detector, Slideout, smoke detector, spare tire kit, refrigerator, leveling jacks, microwave, oven, air conditioning, Skylight, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Crossroads Sunset Trail, Super Lite 289QB is 5,814 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.